We're diving into the 6 best side hustles for teenagers in 2025. Whether you're trying to get PlayStation 5 that costs a fortune, or just stack some serious cash, these side hustles are your ticket to financial freedom. No more begging your parents for an allowance increase or working away at a dead-end summer job. We're talking real money on your time with unlimited earning potential. So buckle up, smash that like button for more content like this. Ever scroll through Instagram and see someone rocking a hoodie with a fire design, and you think, I can create that or even a better one? That could be you. Print on demand is like having your own clothing line without dealing with inventory, shipping, or any of that complicated stuff. Channel your inner creative genius and whip up some eye-catching designs. Free tools like Canva or Kittl can help bring those designs to life. Think simple, trendy, and relatable. Sign up for a print-on-demand platform like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. These platforms handle everything: printing, shipping, customer service. You name it, you just upload your designs, set your prices, and watch the orders roll in. The beauty of print on demand is that it's completely passive income. Let's be real. You're probably on social media more than you'd like to admit, but what if I told you that you could get paid for it? No, I'm not kidding. Small businesses are looking to incorporate social media in their marketing plans to attract more customers. Contact local businesses in your area, think cafes, restaurants, salons, boutiques, and offer your services as a social media manager. For a monthly fee, you'll handle everything from creating engaging posts and stories to responding to comments and running ads. So, you're literally getting paid to scroll, schedule posts, and watch your clients' businesses grow. We've all got that one drawer, closet, or corner of the basement overflowing with stuff we never use. Reselling is all about finding undervalued items. Think sneakers, vintage clothing, electronics, collectibles, and flipping them for a profit. Start by rating your own closet. Got any old sneakers, clothes, or devices collecting dust? List them on platforms like eBay, Depop, Facebook Marketplace, or StockX, and watch the bids roll in. Once you've mastered the art of flipping your own stuff, hit up thrift stores, consignment shops, or even online marketplaces to find hidden gems. This hustle is all about having a keen eye for value and the guts to go after it. If you're not already on the short-form video wave, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to make bank. I'm talking YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. These platforms are where it's at in 2025. People's attention spans are shorter than ever, and these bite-sized videos are the perfect way to capture their attention and their wallets. So what kind of content should you create? The possibilities are endless. The key is to find your niche, be consistent, and engage with your audience. And here's a pro tip: repurpose your content. Create a TikTok, then edit it slightly and upload it as a YouTube short. Double the platforms, double the exposure, double the earning potential. Alright gamers, this one's for you. Gaming is not just a hobby, it's a legitimate side hustle and even a full-time career for millions of people. If you've got mad skills, or even if you're just entertaining to watch, streaming on platforms like Twitch, Kick, or YouTube Gaming could be your ticket to making bank. You can also create gaming guides, tutorials, funny moments compilations, or even stream yourself playing newly released games. People are always looking for tips, tricks, and entertainment, and you can be the one to provide it. Listen up, because this last hustle is where real bucks can roll in. If you know what you're doing, it's here, it's powerful, and it's creating endless opportunities for teenagers to make serious cash. Platforms like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Jasper are incredibly user-friendly even for beginners. Sell AI-generated art prints, prompts, or design ideas on Etsy or Fiverr. Use ChatGPT to write high-quality articles, social media captions, website copy, or even scripts for YouTubers like me. The demand for AI-related services is exploding, and teenagers, who are often quicker to adapt to new technologies, are in a prime position to capitalize on this trend. There you have it, 6 side hustles that can get passive income going for you. Whether you're passionate about fashion, social media, gaming, or emerging AI, there's a side hustle out there with your name on it. Quick recap: print on demand. Sell merch with zero inventory. Social media management. Small businesses need you. Reselling, sneakers, tech, clothes, flipping is free money. YouTube Shorts and TikTok, short videos equal fast cash. Gaming and streaming, monetize your playtime. AI side hustles, use AI to make passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Drop a comment below and let me know which side hustle you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.